Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at the case of Felthouse against Bindley. This is a case to support Section 7B of the Contracts Act, where the principle derived from Section 7B is acceptance must be expressed. Okay, that means you have to express, you have to tell that you have accepted. So let's look at the case of Felthouse against Bindley. There are three parties mentioned in that case: the uncle, the nephew, and also Bindley, the auctioneer. So what happened was the uncle wrote a letter to the nephew. He was interested in buying the nephew's horse, and in the same letter he mentioned this. Okay, if I hear no more about him, I consider it mine. So meaning that, okay, he was saying if the nephew did not say anything at all, right? That means if the nephew is quiet, so he is going to consider that the nephew agreed to sell him the horse. Now the nephew never replied the letter. However, on the date of the auction, because the nephew, he was planning to auction all his horses, and he took Bindley as the auctioneer. He did say to Bindley, I want you to auction all my horse, but please keep this horse out of the auction because my uncle wants to buy this horse. However, what happened was Bindley here went to sell the horse by mistake. So that makes the uncle angry. Okay, so he then sued Bindley because he claimed that there was breach of contract. He said that I have already made an offer to my nephew to buy the horse, and my nephew keep quiet. So that means he followed what is stated in the letter here. Okay, he keep quiet, so meaning he agreed to sell me the horse. And now you have already sold the horse by mistake, although it is a mistake, but still, okay, it's breached now because I cannot buy the horse from my nephew. Now, however, when this case went to court, okay, the court said that silence is not acceptance. Why silence? Because if you see, the uncle made an offer to the nephew in the letter, okay, but the nephew never replied the uncle. So that means there is no acceptance. So the court said the contract is not valid because there was never a reply from the nephew. So from this case, we can see that if you want to make sure that the contract is valid, there must be proposal and also acceptance. Make sure that when you propose, the other party accepted and it is expressed. Okay, that means that you have said it out. Okay, it can be in oral, it can be in writing, or it can also be by conduct of the parties, but make sure the acceptance is expressed.